I fucking hate Knuckles. Mr. Sonic is a loser?
Loser.
Fuck you, Knuckles!
Oh, Tails, it's time to feel punishment, bitch.
Oh shit! No, you shut the fuck up, bitch!
Give me a fucking tail! Ah! I'm gonna drown you! Mr. Knuckles? Mr. Sonic, can I say something to you? What? Mr. Sonic is a bitch! Mr. Sonic is a bitch! Mr. Sonic! I'm sorry, Tails, but I had to call an FBI on you.
Wait, what?
Get on the ground, Tails. Get on the ground. Wait, what?
Ah!
Get on the ground. What I said?
Knuckles and Tails, we need to talk right now.
What is it, Sonic?
What is it?
But I not be posting videos on TikTok.
Bro, no one cares, Sonic.
Yeah, no one cares.
Who are you talking to like that, Knuckles and Tails?
You heard me, Sonic. We don't care.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't care about the videos. You stupid hedgehog.
Why you?
Wait, Sonic, I just went.
Sonic!
Wait, Sonic, wait.
We need new videos now, Knuckles and Tails. Okay. Mr. Knuckles?
Mr. Sonic, can I say something to you?
What?
Mr. Sonic is a bitch. Mr. Sonic is a bitch. Mr. Sonic.
Hi, Sonic! It's just me, you now, Knuckles.
Hell yeah, I'm about to get the chaos all night.
Hey, babe, I forgot my.
Are you freaking kidding me right now? Oh shit, is this gonna happen again? Every single time I am goddamn gone on this Sonic Boom Crackhouse, you just slip on Knuckles whatever the hell you want. What the fuck is the matter with you? What? Well, to be honest, Sonic, you just jealous because I took your bitch. What the hell did he say to me, Knuckles?
Are you sick of telling you? Wait.
Sonic, stop!
Wait, come here. Come here, Sonic. I'm gonna whoop your ass.
Tails, you're fired. I'm sorry, Tails, but I had to call FBI on you.
Wait, what?
Get on the ground, Tails. Get on the ground. Oh, what?
Ah!
Get on the ground, double sit.